The Sunjoe SPX1000. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. With a grime-busting rated pressure of 1,600 pounds per square inch and rated flow of 1.2 gallons per minute, the toughest cleaning jobs are as easy as point and spray. Clean, restore, transform. The two quick connect nozzles, a 15-degree medium-duty jet and a 40-degree light-duty spray, make cleanup easy. Power through stubborn grime with the SPX1000 for a spotless signature Sunjoe shine. The heavy-duty 20-foot high-pressure hose uses high-tensile wire reinforced tubing and a smooth inner core to minimize pressure drop like commercial gas units. Sunjoe's 13-ampere motor delivers gas-like power with electric convenience. The total stop system starts on trigger pull and stops on release. At just 15.4 pounds, the SPX1000 is compact, portable, and easy to maneuver for effortless cleaning, backed by Sunjoe's 2-year warranty. So there's no better time to win the war on grime. Go with Joe. Get equipped.